So today I'm going to be making sticky beef strips, and this is a really easy and quick recipe, so let's begin. So I'm going to add a couple of tablespoons of olive oil in a pan. Then add my beef strips. I'm just going to lower the heat. I'm going to add a teaspoon of garlic paste. Just going to cook this until it's a light brown colour. So this looks just right. I'm going to now add my seasoning. So I'm going to add a sprinkle of paprika, a sprinkle of pepper, a sprinkle of curry powder, a sprinkle of red chilli flakes, a sprinkle of onion salt, a sprinkle of barbecue seasoning, mix this up. So I'm just going to allow this to cook further for a couple more minutes. So I've now lowered the heat. Now I'm going to add a few tablespoons of barbecue sauce, a few tablespoons of sweet chilli sauce, I'm going to now raise the heat on full, give it a good mix. I'm going to try and dry out some of the sauce. I'm going to now put the heat on medium. This looks ready now, so I'm just going to remove it off the heat. Now it's time to serve. So I hope you enjoyed our quick sticky beef strips. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And thanks guys for watching.